Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing of the Motorola E6 Plus. Now, the Motorola E6 Plus is a budget device. It sells in the UK at the moment for £79. That's in the 2GB of RAM and 16 or 32 gigabytes of storage configuration. And the packaging is simple, as you'd expect of a budget device. Clear Motorola Moto branding here. On the side, where the sticker is for the seal on the box, just put this away, it tells you that it has a 13 megapixel and 2 megapixel camera, a 6.1 inch HD Plus Max screen, an 8 megapixel selfie camera, and a fingerprint reader. On the back you get a picture of this and an indication that it comes in 3 colours. I've specifically picked up a red one because I quite like the look of the red one. And if you purchase this from the Carphone warehouse in the UK, there is a mandatory £10 top-up to go with it. I opted for O2, who offer 2 gigabytes of data for 30 days with that. And the first thing you see when you open the box is the Moto E6 itself, with a bright orange sticker on it, reminding you of the specifications we just discussed, plus telling you that it has an octa-core processor. In this case, it's a MediaTek Helio P22 chipset, and a 3000 mAh battery. Interestingly, this device already comes with a case, and it's already in the case. That's pretty good. The case is one of those PLU plastic silicon ones, but it comes with one in the box. So we'll put the device aside and focus on the rest of the box contents. So it's got README. This is a bit of an Alice in Wonderland thing. Will I read it? Will I not? We'll find out soon. And also some legal, safety and regulatory documentation in the box. We'll put these aside. The charger in the box is a AC unit for the UK. Let's have a look at this one. Specifically, the output in this one is 5 volt 1 amp, so not a high-end charger, but good enough for this device. It won't charge very quickly. There is also, in this case, a USB-A to micro USB cable. So this is a micro USB device. And on the inside of the box, there is a big-ass battery. So this is a 3000 mAh removable battery. As well as that, in the box, you will find a micro adapter for Nano SIMs. That makes me think that this takes micro SIMs rather than nano SIMs, which have become a standard in the industry. Let's put the box aside and start to focus on the device itself. So I'm going to take it out of its PLU case, and we'll have a look at what's on the back. So the device is extremely shiny. It's like a laminated plastic back with very, very shiny back. There is no clear space to take the back off here. Oh, maybe there is here. I'm doing this without reading the instructions, so it's a bit of a cheat. Oh, there we go. So that's how the back comes off. And you'll see that there is a space for a micro SD card. And there, as I said, is space for a micro SIM. So micro SIM is not the full-size SIM card. It's one up from a nano SIM. Luckily, the SIM card I got comes with a multi-SIM. What that means is that it comes in full size, and then you cut out the size that you need. So in this case, it's an O2 SIM. There's some clear cutout. So this is micro SIM. So to give you some context, this is a full-size SIM card that I've taken the micro SIM out of, and you can take the nano SIM out of the micro SIM. It's a very detailed cutout that can be seen just, if you're watching this in 4K, you'll be able to see that. So I'm going to put that SIM card in here, and as I said, it's in its micro SIM form. Whilst I'm at it, I shall put a 64 gigabyte memory card in, and it fits quite well. We'll take the packaging out of the battery. So this is a 3000 milliamp hour battery. It's a KC40 battery from Motorola, made in China, no surprise there. And yes, it's a 3000 milliamp hour battery. I'm going to then clip this in with the contacts. There we go. And take that shiny red back and put it back on the device. Now, before I go any further forward, I'd like to highlight what a fingerprint magnet this is. Probably that case is something you'll want to put on after a while, considering how grubby this potentially could get. And there's also a little plastic lip over the camera lenses. So I've taken that off. Okay, so let's take this off the device and I'll boot it up. So nice big Motorola logo and powered by Android, as we expect. Sadly not Android 1, so it's not going by Motorola's track record. It won't have very frequent software updates.
Hello Moto.
Oh, that was familiar. The Helio Moto. Quite strong branding there. And what I'm going to do is set this up and then join you once it's set up and give you some first impressions of the Moto E6 Plus. Hello, so that is the Moto E6 Plus up to date or almost up to date and set up. And I have to say, for the price, for £79, you're getting a lot of smartphone. It is a very nice big 6.1 inch screen. If I didn't know it was a 720 screen, I probably wouldn't be able to tell. The colors are very vibrant. The screen is very responsive. That MediaTek Helio P22 chipset for this price range is very, very responsive. And I'd say it was a pretty pleasant experience setting it all up. It's a very googly experience. Though this is not an Android 1 device, so only with time will we be able to tell if this will get regular security updates and operating system updates from Lenovo or Motorola. So yes, I'm very pleasantly impressed. This is a device with a 3000 milliamp hour battery, a relatively low power but efficient chipsets in the Helio P22, so for media it should be a good device. It has a Courage port or a 3.5mm audio jack. It takes micro USB as a charger, and it has some handily placed power and volume buttons at the side. I have deliberately left on the case, the silicon case, because I have some greasy hands and fingerprints are everywhere already. It's just come out of its box. But to summarize it, I'm pleasantly impressed by how responsive this device is, how nice the screen is. It's a nice big screen, and I think that for £79 in the UK with a £10 top up, it's extremely good value for money. You can buy this SIM-free for £99 if you want to, without having to buy a SIM card, but it works out cheaper that way. And we do plan on not only doing a full review of this device for the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, but also maybe comparing it to the similarly priced Nokia 2.2. So thank you for watching this unboxing of the Motorola or Lenovo Moto E6 Plus. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. You'll get notified for all our new videos, whether they're unboxings of products, reviews, sample videos taken with the cameras, or any other video we produce. Please do subscribe to us. And if you like this video, also drop us a like or let us know what you think in the comments. We're always happy to engage in the comment section. So thanks for watching, everyone. Goodbye.